How do I save a current version of my inventory? This is done by creating a snapshot of your assigned items. Snapshots can be created manually for each individual inventory or generated automatically for all assigned items. To manually create snapshots, click the arrow to expand the snapshot repository. The default view is the live version. It shows the details of the selected inventory's assigned items as they are now. However, the information on these items may change. For example, an expired item might be replaced with a new one, and the expiry date will change along with the lot number and other details. As the item gets updated in the inventory, this also reflects in the live version of assigned items in your task. It may be essential to record the item information when a step or the entire task is complete. To save this information, you can create a snapshot. Click View Versions and then Create a Snapshot. The snapshot is saved to the repository and is available to view at all times. If you'd like to set a particular snapshot as the default view, click Set as Default View. If you want to export the assigned item's details, click Export Items, and an email containing a download link to a CSV file will be sent to you. As you lock your task by moving it to In Review, a snapshot will be created automatically and save the item's details. You can quickly tell whether a task already has a snapshot of assigned inventory items by checking if it says Snapshot here. To explore SciNote and its functionalities deeper, check out the links in the description below.